Right, bit of a distance check. Just come down to Caversham, got on the river path. We'll see how we got on. First thing I notice is the electric motor's got this bit one speed. So there's a little bit of a case of it cracks on a little bit. So as a default, if you keep pedalling, it will just keep on going. Try and do 15 miles an hour. Just getting used to it, really. I've improved a few bits of this. Tree roots were busting this all up at one point. Still a few very rough bits. Bugs in the mouth. My only reservation is I'm not really doing much work. To give you an idea, we normally do about sort of 8 miles an hour on this sort of thing. You'd be struggling a bit. It's sort of just let's rip it straight up to 14 miles an hour, which is great on the open like this. But you've got to negotiate a little bit of tree roots or other cyclists or pedestrians. A bit hairy. And then I have to say the disappointment comes when you come to a hill, because then you've got to obviously start pedalling. Assistance is just assistance. Go up here. Strange road, this one. Let's see how we go on this hill. Still in top gear, so I wouldn't have normally been. Applying what I would consider to be normal pressure. One. I'll get down another. Not too bad. I don't want to stretch my hip. That's just feeling a little stiff now. That's pretty damn good. Go that way, I think we do. I think I do. Shepherd's House Hill.